Hi and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to perform a simple phishing attack using the social engineering toolkit. But first of all, let's understand what is phishing. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker sends a malicious email address or fake website to the victim. For example, a phishing email appearing to come from a bank may warn the user that their account has been compromised, directing the user to a fake website, where their username and password can be reset. This website is fake, designed to look like the original one, but is only to collect login information from victims. To perform the attack, I will switch to my Kali machine and open a terminal and type set toolkit to start the social engineering tool. And I'm going to use social engineering attack and website attack vectors and then the credential harvester attack method. And here select site cloner. Now you need to put your IP address. For that, open a new window or terminal and type ifconfig and copy the IP address and paste it here and press enter. Here you're gonna type the URL which you want to clone and make a fake website. So in my case I'm going to use hackthisite.org, but you can clone any site you want. Once done with that, press enter and now the attack is live. At this point all you have to do is get somebody to access your IP address. You can do this by sending an email to the victim and mask the IP address using a link shortener such as bit.ly.com. Okay, so now let's try to type my IP address in the browser. And you can see the site was successfully cloned and looks exactly as the original one. But if I put the email address, for example johngmail.com, and password let me pass, then the credentials will be captured here. And you can see the username and password which I have typed. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.